Welcome to this 5th edition of Manufacturing in the Age of Experience. Why do we want to talk about sustainability? Because this has become the first topic in the industrial world. The way we look at companies have changed. We look at them with the new scales of things. We call that the 3 Ps: people, planet, profit. Sustainable manufacturing is not an option. There is no planet B.
At ABB, we think sustainability is about balancing economic progress, environmental stewardship, and social progress for all our stakeholders.
Technology really, it's not really the end point of arrival. It's a means to an end point. And without the change management and the adoption of technology throughout the business process, it becomes completely sterile.
Digital transformation isn't a technology initiative, it's a business strategy. And that business strategy is driven off of offering new customer experiences in the market.
Because they were asking you who supported you into that journey. So
The system supported us very much, and actually, that's a cue to you, actually.
But wait a minute. What if we rewind to the day it all started? Can you maybe check for the 4-wheel drive?
Operation planning now. Delta for sports utility vehicles in China.
I can take us virtually to Shanghai, and we can...
Starting from the design model.
Bernard, are you two very busy over there?
Behaviors are already defined for all the
So I'm looking at my current plan. There are 220...
The panel line we still face with some issue on the cycle time. So station number 4, this impacting our efficiency.
And
will
thanks
not be
to a
delivered.
solid maintenance plan.
And this is the reason why we did the 3D Experience platform, to integrate all those business processes and get the maximum value out of it.
They have 48 hours as teams of 5, so 4 teams total, to come up with the most innovative, sustainable solution.
There's a lot more integration that can happen, which has made the project really exciting and fun, just bringing all of the pieces together.
We don't have much experience on 3D experience, but we are good at CATIA and all other softwares.
We've got a few ideas of following our product from start to finish in the manufacturing cycle, and we think it's going to be really, really compelling.
You can't really have a conversation about the future of not just manufacturing, but really the future of any commercial activity without addressing the sustainable aspect.
So I have chosen 3 takeaways. The first one is we have a common goal. I'll be more specific. The second one is China is already paving the way for sustainable manufacturing. And the third one is 3D Experience platform is the enabling platform for driving that transformation.